Good evening to all of you. Today I am addressing a short press conference for two reasons. One, to launch our school website and our school app, and also for the virtual classes we are launching into web link. And the second thing, I would like to request our dear guardians to give proper care to your students so that they benefit from our online classes and virtual classes. Before I come to the main agendas, I would like to give a brief introduction about St. Anthony School, Gossaigaon. St. Anthony School was established in the year 1983. It is owned and administered by the Roman Catholic Diocese of Gossaigaon. The president and the governing board member is Dr. Most Reverend Thomas Pullapalli, the Bishop of Gossaigaon. And it is administered on the principles of Catholic schools throughout the world. The school follows SEBA curriculum and it is recognized by the State Board of Education, Assam. The primary aim of this institution is to impart proper formation. We call it integral education. It involves psychological, physical, social and intellectual. And we make our students not job seekers but job creators. That's our main aim. And we have our own mission and we have our own vision to impart our students proper education for the future citizens. Therefore, I invite all of you, dear friends, for this press conference for the two main agendas. One, I'm delighted, I'm happy that St. Anthony School is launching its own dynamic school website. It will be helping our students and our teachers at large. It will make them skillful, it will make them intelligent, because they will be expressing themselves in the school website. And I would like to say the school website link is http://sananthonysgossaigaon.com. That is the link of our school website. And also we are launching the school app. The school app is in our own school name. The name of the school app is St. Anthony's English Medium High School, Gossaigaon. If we type in our Google Play Store this particular name, we will come to know our school app. And this school app will be used for the online classes, for the virtual classes, for our students during this lockdown. And the web version of the school app is http://app.sananthonysgossaigaon.com. And also we are very happy to launch the web link for the class 8, 9 and 10 students who will be on live with their own personal class teachers from Tuesday onwards. And I would like to tell you the link of our web, that is https://live.infotute.com. So I would like to inform all the students, especially the class 8, 9 and 10 students, be ready from Tuesday onwards. We will be beginning our online classes from 9 o'clock to 11:30. From Tuesday onwards, from 9 o'clock to 11:30, our St. Anthony's tutors will be online. Kindly be online and educate yourselves, learn yourself for your academic syllabus. That's my first agenda. To all the guardians, we have taken this initiative for our students and for your students, and your students are our children. For the benefit of our children and your children, we have taken this initiative of launching the school dynamic website, school app and the school web link during this lockdown period to educate our children. Dear parents, kindly cooperate with us. Kindly make your students to study, to take part in this online education so that they don't miss the syllabus, so that they don't miss their education during this lockdown period. So I wish all of you dear parents a happy stay and happy life for your students. Thank you everybody. May God bless us. To all the guardians, we have taken this initiative for our students and for your students, and your students are our children. For the benefit of our children and your children, we have taken this initiative of launching the school dynamic website, school app and the school web link during this lockdown period to educate our children. Dear parents, kindly cooperate with us. Kindly make your students to study, to take part in this online education so that they don't miss the syllabus, so that they don't miss their education during this lockdown period. So I wish all of you dear parents a happy stay and happy life for your students. Thank you everybody. May God everyone to follow the instructions of the government, especially our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, to follow the instructions so that we are all safe during this